Hi, my name's Dave Griggs. I'm with the men's DePaul golf team, and today I'll be reading Rain Brings Frogs by Marianne Coco Leifer. When Mom says, "I hate rain," Nate says, "Rain brings frogs." When Ben says, "Not enough," Nate says, "Enough to share." When his sister says, "It's so ugly," Nate says, "It's so warm." When Charlie says, "Keep out," Nate says, "Room for all." When Dad says, "Mud, mud, mud," Nate says, "Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow." When Casey says, "I lost," Nate says, "I finished." When Liz says, "I need more," Nate says, "I need one." When his friends say, "Nothing to do," Nate says, "Enjoy the view." When everyone says, "We see clouds," Nate says, "Behind the clouds, I see sun." So the moral of the story is to always look on the bright side, because everyone is faced with problems and you have to face them head on. Thank you for listening, and go Blue Demons.